is how you can create an affordable makeup kit with products under 300. Starting with this Bond Superlight Gel, I've used it completely. Foundations from Elle and Blue Heaven fall under rupees 100 category. Stick concealer and liquid concealer from NY Bae are the most affordable ones. Loose powder from Lakme and translucent one from Insight are literally the best. For eyebrows, you can either use this 2-in-1 gel eyebrow eyeliner kit from Swiss Beauty, or you can go for separate ones from Miss Claire and Blue Heaven. This is literally my favorite compact from Maybelline. Nikah K9 has the most pigmented eyeshadows, and this Elle one is the cutest and travel friendly. Blue Heaven has the most affordable pen eyeliner. You can either use this 3-in-1 kit from Swiss Beauty, which has highlighter, blush and contour shades, or you can go for separate bronzer, blush and highlighter from Sugar, Blue Heaven and Insight Cosmetics. Found this cute set of 4 beauty blenders on Amazon, super soft. Liquid lipsticks from Insight Cosmetics and bullet lipstick from Elle under rupees 100 category. This set of 10 brushes again on Amazon, love the quality. All details in the description, follow for more.